In most countries, the map tells you where to go. In Mongolia, the map barely helps at all. And without understanding how that's possible, you'll miss the story of how people navigate a land larger than Western Europe with almost no paved roads, and why this freedom is the key to survival here. We'll begin with surprising truths about how Mongolia really works. Then we'll cross deserts, rivers, and mountain passes to find its most extraordinary places. One of them is so remote, it makes off the grid feel crowded. It's hard to wrap your head around just how big Mongolia really is. We're talking about a country that stretches over 1.5 million square kilometers. That's nearly 620,000 square miles. Bigger than France, Germany, Italy, and the UK combined. And yet, the entire population is just over 3 million people. That's fewer people than live in Brooklyn. But here's the crazy part. Half of Mongolia's population lives in just one city, the